Power steering trail because race car. Patrick, now you gotta start your YouTube channel, man.
I know.
Patrick's and his sexy Eva.
Yeah, probably.
1050, right?
This guy.
Was it just 1,000? What was it? 950 at least. 950 to the wheels.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
6S350Z around.
Yeah.
Carl.
They're cheap now too.
And he's 6S350. Yeah. It's this guy.
How you doing?
I'm filming video today.
Oh, you are? Hi.
Yes. The skyline owner. Where's your skyline? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I kind of get it. Yeah.
Anticipates every single.
Alright. So
I
if
mean,
anybody's
it's
looking
still
for
hit.
sweet airbrush valve covers, hit up my friend. Right? I'm helping my friend. Helping with the advertisement here. I'm gonna post this up. Domo-kun valve cover. That's
The
awesome.
gas station near my house sells them.
Contact info.
Yeah, well, that's.
Nice. What's with the red mirror?
I wanted it to match the harnesses.
Oh, okay.
Do you like it or no?
I don't know. Oh, actually, it's black on the other side.
Yeah, it's just red on the driver's side.
I think you need more red on the car
Yeah.
to make it. Hello, I'm doing video.
Hello.
Give us the happy broken race car face. Fuck it. This car broke down on the way here because race car.
Yeah.
Drift car. This guy that hosts the show.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That is a beautiful car.
Beautiful Lotus. Hi Bart.
Those get them out. It's just being able to lift the car high enough
Yeah.
and make sure you chalk the front wheels.
It gets kind of scary.
That's how
Now if I jack it up just enough to like change the oil, the front lips dragging on the ground.
yeah,
Man,
that's
these things are so awesome. I love to drive these and spin out horribly. I heard it's hard to drive.
You see the turbo in this car?
This is
Like
boosted?
literally in the car, like
What?
inside the car.
No.
Yeah, I got a dual.
Oh, it's yep. Dude, that's actually one human power. You crank it.
Some extra power.
While you're racing, you gotta like.
This thing is nasty. I want that in my FT.
See the carbon wheels.
These are carbon wheels? Holy shit, man. This guy has some serious money.
Yeah. They're probably legit carbon.
No, I don't know. Aren't these HREs? No, I don't know. It's got some kind of skull on it.
This is like the definition of perfection. I like it.
Drifted around in Prius in front of two cops. Very clean.
This one, and there's that black one that's like boosted around here.
Oh, the black one with bright wheels?
Yeah.
We cruised with that guy once.
Yeah, I remember last year.
I like it. Cali car, huh? Clean. God damn, this thing is clean as hell. These are awesome. You just all you do is strap on the turbo and you're making 500 wheel, no problem. 4G internals, stock.
Like stock from factory?
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah.
Oh, it's
It is low. It is super low.
Oh yeah.
But then you look on the side, it doesn't look too low. It's like a perfect fit, man.
I still get it, but I couldn't because I would track the shit out of it. It was like a big one.
Mopa. Alright. That adds about 20 horsepower.
Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of 25 years
Well,
old,
GTRs
right?
and GTRs as long as it's 25 years old or older.
Can you get 33 GTR now in the States? Oh, this is what I'm talking about. RX-8.
That's interesting, right?
Not a big fan of RX-8s though.
He does, okay. Just like a
He's got the right idea going. John's also too.
Just like
Love the car. What's the plan with this?
So that's the end of it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video on the cars that was on the car show. We're cruising back home with the C0 Media crew and a couple more cars that are kind of following me in the back. Somebody's mad. And that's how you get flat tires on your car, passing people on shoulders, driving like a dumbass.